Introducing the new WeldTube High Visibility HD lens. The aqua-colored puddle produces amazing optical clarity. High-definition technology makes for higher visibility, allowing you to see the arc and puddle clearly. Gold coating reflects radiated heat, reducing welders' eye fatigue. Made in Europe by the same manufacturer of the legendary Phillips lens. Also available with Texas flag film on it. Available at weldlife.com.
Dang, G, is that how you're bringing it? Kind of slinging BBs everywhere, ain't you?
Show me how it's done, hot shot.
I'm the Huckleberry.
Come on.
Let me get my gear. I got a broom in my hand.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Matt back again here today at WeldTube at the one and only South Coast Welding Academy in Houston, Texas. Here with my special guest of honor today, Mr. Bob Mofatt, Ram Nation himself is in the house.
Always good to see you, my friend.
It's always a pleasure, sir.
So you got a little 3G going, huh?
Yep, doing a 3G vertical up MIG all the way out with a backing strip, 3/8 plates.
What, I was hearing something while ago. BB slinging, what, settings, gun angle, what's going on?
I'm here to learn, Bob.
Okay,
Show me how it's done.
I don't know. Well, let's learn together.
Let's figure it out.
You're on a 400 Pipe Pro, huh?
Yes, sir. 400 Pipe Works.
That's a big boy machine.
Beautiful machine.
I'd like to have some hood time on it.
Come on.
So, I want to tighten up the arc.
Okay.
So, I lowered the volts slightly. I increased the wire feed speed, but more importantly, I'm going to adjust his gun angle down.
Okay.
Everybody, I don't know, it's
drag
probably
it
weird,
out.
but you know, everybody thinks you got to push up when you're going up. I'm just opposite.
You're gonna
I want my
drag it
wire
out.
touching clean material. So
Okay.
let's see if it works. If it doesn't, I'm going to go back to sweeping. How about that? A little delay in that trigger, huh?
Yeah, I like those BBs there too. You learn from the best.
I don't see any. I see small ones. Looks like you're sweeping now. I mean, what's the objective? We're trying to tie into the back plate.
Yep, you want to tie all three pieces together.
Yeah.
Have a more concaved bead so you're not trapping any glass on your toes.
Right.
And keep it easy to clean, and
that's why I like pointing the wire downhill slightly.
that looks real nice.
And then we're not talking a bunch, it's just 5-10 degrees maybe, you know. Stay on the leading edge of the pool,
Yep.
always.
Yeah, you don't want to jump out too much. And come up on that backing bar so you don't got a low spot at the top. There you go.
Man, I see a lot of people do that.
Yeah, they always stop too soon.
So, glass kind of on the toes. We go ahead and clean that with a thin bladed grinder.
That's it.
Hang on.
So you keep the same settings for a hot pass, or?
No, actually, I mean, I'm one to go knock a little of that down with the thin blade.
Okay.
To kind of cut that right at that toe.
Get in
slightly,
the toes?
just to knock it down and get in there. Yeah, that didn't lay down like I thought it would for the volt setting. No, I'd actually go up, and it depends on, are we weaving beads, or are we running stringer beads, or?
Personally, with short circuit, I like to weave.
I do too. I mean, technically, is it a hot pass on the second pass? It's
reinforcement.
a fill pass, really.
Yeah.
So I'll go up slightly, but not crazy up.
I'll give it a whirl.
Wow, I remember welding here years ago. You want to do a half and half?
I'll throw it in there. See how your settings work for the fill pass.
Well, I'll do the first half and check my settings. See if I'm wrong, I got to change it, right?
What do you think? Pretty slick?
I think it's hot enough. I think it's wet enough to go in there. You like it?
Yeah, I'll roll with that. Snip me.
If you need something, holler. I'll be by the machine. I can make your adjustment.
Just give me a little
I'm
snip.
here to trim your wire, sir. There you go.
All right. I'm here to learn, Bob.
Okay.
Show me how it's done.
I don't know. Well, let's learn together.
Let's figure it out.
You're on a 400 Pipe Pro, huh?
Yes, sir. 400 pipe work.
That's a big boy machine.
Beautiful machine.
I'd like to have some hood time on it.
Come on.
Pretty.
Thank you.
Now, I got a question.
Sir.
At what point do you not weave and go like for a 2-bead cap or something? I mean, do you keep going up in settings? I personally don't feel comfortable doing that.
I wouldn't go up in settings since we already have so much preheat in this now.
Right.
I think it's plenty hot enough.
But to weave a pass.
I think I don't know.
I don't think, I wouldn't feel comfortable capping it from here. I really wouldn't, unless I was running a 2-bead cap.
I'd put another fill in it for sure.
Exactly,
Yeah.
me too. So let me touch that slightly.
Yeah,
not
go
to rearrange the profile, but to knock any glass or foreign substances that we don't want. We didn't want to violate the edges, did we? Leave them babies alone. Another fill, huh? Show me how. Show me how on this new
All the way up?
machine here.
Just want me to stop halfway.
I go halfway. You gotta leave me a little fun, don't you? No. Nice, nice.
I want to leave those bevel edges so we have a nice straight line for our cap,
Exactly.
brother.
At what point do you not weave and go like for a 2-bead cap or something? I mean, you keep going up in settings? I personally don't feel comfortable doing that.
I wouldn't go up in settings since we already have so much preheat in this now.
Right.
I think it's plenty hot.
Trying to go across the pasture a little quicker just to lay it flat. Nice machine.
Same thing, split the cap.
Let's do it.
Cap the bottom, you cap the top.
Do it.
All right.
Leave me the hot stuff up here. I think my glove is leaking.
It's got a leak.
It's leaking heat through my glove here a minute ago. I was feeling it. What do you need? Oh, let me get that for you. Here I am.
I like it a little bit longer, but that's all right. I can get a little bit more. That's perfect.
How come there's such a delay in the
I think there's
turn?
like a 0.2 second purge.
Is that? Oh, that's what. Okay, I got you. And that's helpful.
All right.
What do you think?
Pretty
Got
good?
Skills. Got skills.
Thanks, bud. But it'll shoot.
Yeah. Buff.
I put up to like 25 and 400.
Like what?
25 and 400. Let it eat, you know?
25, 400. Have you run Flux 400 rolled out stuff?
I only ran RMD on it.
And that's a trip. That's fun.
It's amazing. Super tight.
I'm feeling
looks
old. It's a Hercula pass.
That looks nice. Nice and tight.
I feel like I was going slow. I gotta get some wood time. That's an interesting machine though. Hey, I appreciate it. I learned a lot. I really did.
I learned a lot, Bobo.
Need to get back in and do some hood time.
Yeah, we need a brother-in-law pipe.
We do. We do that. Thank you very much. I'm down here to work an event. And hopefully I'll see you tomorrow.
I will.
Thank you, I
Always
appreciate
a pleasure,
it.
sir. Thanks guys for tuning in again to WeldTube. Every Monday at 7, make sure you check out our new content. It's been too long since Bob's been on camera, so it's a very, very, very much of a pleasure for us to have him here today. So stay tuned for next time, guys. Again, thanks a lot. WeldLife.com.